Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And look at the big bag I got from Temu. Oh yes. And I'm gonna open this up right now. I'm not gonna waste any time. Gonna get right into this. And this is one of 2 bags that I received. Well, I didn't get the second one yet. I'm waiting for the second one in this order. So you're gonna have to bear with me. Wow. I was so excited. I was waiting for this. Felt like forever. It seems like they have slowed down on their process. That's what I'm thinking. It has not been as quick as it used to be. That's for sure. And I'm going to look through quickly to see what we have here. Yeah, I was really excited and waiting for this. And I want to give you the prices as we go along. So here we go with the first item, and that is, it's called a small leaf, and that's what it's called on the outside. And on the inside, over here, it's called a ginkgo leaf or a maple leaf. And I thought this was really pretty. And I can't wait to make this. And maybe at the end of this video, maybe we will make one of these with my new Resin-crete, because I think this would be a great thing to make with the Resin-crete. Let me know in the comments below what beautiful mermaid tail. Was $1.88, and this one was $1.48. Oh, I'm so excited that I got this. I wanted to do this right away. And here is my pumpkin, and this is a nice size. Look at the size of that. And it has a top to it. This is going to be lots of fun. These are so well made, and look at that. That is going to be beautiful. Look at that. The moon with the woman's face. Just beautiful. And that shiny inside, that is going to be beautiful. I can't wait to use this. $4.67. And look at that. $4.67. So this is another jar that I've wanted to do, and I'm going to use the Resin-crete in this one too. This is going to be amazing. I can't wait to use this. So you need to fill it this way. Look at the inside of that. That is going to be just beautiful. And look at that. Can't wait to get it. Photo frame. And this is $5.98. And look at that. Look at that. So you put your photo here. And there is the moon with the craters. How gorgeous. That is just stunning. Look at that. Take a look at that. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Your little coffee cup. Your coaster. Put your coffee in there. How beautiful is that? This will hold This will hold them up. So this is a small little jar. See the jar? Beautiful little jar. And I bought extras to go with this. So the jar is $3.14. And it comes with the little lids that go on top, the little cork lids. How cute is that? I mean, as artists, we can even pour on top of these, or we can put skins on top. How beautiful is that? Could be little ornaments. These are all different angels. These will be beautiful on a card as an embellishment. Look at that, how beautiful is that? A little turtle. How much is that? 89 cents. Can you go wrong? How cute is that? Look at that. Let me check out the price on that. $4.48. Plain mold with stands. Look at that. That's beautiful. And here's the square one. That. So we just pour in here. And look at those little bubbles. All the baubles. Oh, that is going to be so much fun. I think that is a little smaller than I was expecting. But that's my fault. But you know what? I can use these. I could definitely use these. There's all different designs. My little silicone spatula. This was only 44 cents. And I got 2 of these. One out. How cool is that? 44 cents. How dainty is that? Love it. And there's all different colors in there. You can see it in the back. Beautiful. And this was $2.48. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, I love that. Might be called luminous sands. That's what this might be. And this was $2.17. And silk cherry blossom flowers. Okay, that's what we have here. These are lovely. I could definitely put these in on the side of my little jars. I would love to put those in my jars. Definitely going to be putting that. Nice big. These are 27 cents each. And these mini little beads. So that was worth it, 27 cents. So here's a little scan of everything that we got in that first bag. And I love everything I have here. And I'm going to give you a quick Resin-crete pour of that leaf. Right after this. And I do hope that you enjoyed this. And I will make a part 2 because I don't think anyone should have to sit through a whole hour of Temu, honestly. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And we have 25 minutes of working time. I'm gonna put a little bit in my cup here. I think I'm gonna put this first. So this is Prehnite. This little Piggy. Really nice color here. Put a nice amount in there because I think we're gonna need a little bit more for this Resin-crete to change a color. And let's see how that works. It doesn't seem to, doesn't really seem to mix well with the Resin-crete, the pigments. So I'm giving it a good try here. Well, isn't that interesting? You just get clumps. Alright, I'm going to try and I wonder if I should have first dispersed it in a little Josonia there. Oh, here we go. Oh, now it's alright, now it is working. Yeah, all right, that was just that first. Well, that's interesting. It clumped up at first, and then it did disperse. Okay, it's not shiny, so we are not getting any shine here. I can add some gold ink to make some veins into that here. I might just get some bits of gold in there. I don't know. I'm gonna well, I'm gonna leave it at that. And I'm gonna pour this through like that. And maybe I don't need as much as I thought. Well, I thought I was going to need a lot more for that. So, I hope that green goes through. If I can get some down into that. I really wanted the green to get into the bottom. Let's see if this works. Pushing it through. I thought I was going to get that. Thought I was going to get that we're not going to have too much time left here, so I better get with it. But here I go, and I am going to unmold. Oh, wow. And look how easily that unmolded. Oh, wow. And look how pretty this is. I hope it doesn't fall apart. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Forget about the gold. This is gorgeous. Look how beautiful that came out. Love that. Okay. Wow. That really came beautiful, and that was with that mold. So if you've enjoyed part 1 of my Temu haul and my Resin-crete pour with the mold that I bought from Temu, and you are not subscribed, please do subscribe today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about this video and this pour with Resin-crete. I just love it. Also, let's not forget September 15th, the collaboration for my 3rd anniversary. I'll leave you the link below and above.